The Brother P-touch Embellish is my go-to for adding a quick and special personalized touch to whether it's handmade gifts or gifts that you buy in the store. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly add a personalized touch to a greeting card that you bought in the store. So what I'm going to do is select frame. I really like number 21, which is snowflakes. I think it matches really well. Now I'm going to personalize it for my husband and write Happy Holidays, Brennan. There's 14 different font options, but my favorite is the Calgary. Once I'm done, all I have to do is hit print, and you have the perfect personalized ribbon. Now I'm going to take raised stationery pads, and I'm going to put them on the back of my ribbon so that it actually gives it a 3D effect on my card. Now what I love about the P-touch Embellish is that it actually also prints on decorative tape. So next, I'm going to move to the envelope to add a little bit more of a personal touch. For this message, I simply just want to put Love Lynn. I'm going to select text, go to continuous, and then select my design. All right, and just like that, we're ready to print. And now we have a personalized card to give to my husband. Stay tuned for more creative projects that you can do in under 90 seconds with the Brother P-touch Embellish.